Hello everyone, welcome back to Trending Now. I'm your host Sangamata, and before we get into today's Trending Now, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to Radio 1 International. Now, do you guys remember the Justin Baldoni and Blake Lively news that was all over the headlines? So Ryan Reynolds is supposedly willing to spend millions of dollars to buy Baldoni out of this franchisee. He is willing to go to such great lengths to make sure his wife is a part of this It Ends With Us series, with or without Justin Baldoni in it. Okay, so let's rewind a bit. Justin Baldoni not only directed this film, but he also owns Colleen Hoover's novel It Ends With Us through his production house Wayfarer Studios. Now we also have Sony, who is backing up Blake Lively, and also now with Ryan Reynolds saying he's gonna spend millions of dollars in buying him out. It's easy to sort of side with the big stars here, right? But I think, this is just my opinion, Justin Baldoni had a huge part in the success of this movie, and some credits gotta go to him for that, right? But let me know in the comments down below. Now the 76th Primetime Emmy Awards just happened, and we witnessed some really historic wins as well as some surprising wins. So here are the highlights. First up, Shogun dominated the night. They racked up 18 wins. This was a very historical moment because the actors won Best Actor and Best Actress in a drama series, and they were the first ever Japanese actors to achieve this. This was a huge moment in Hollywood in terms of representation and diversity. Now in other news, we have The Bear, and they just owned the comedy series. Jeremy Allen White won Best Actor in a Comedy Series for the second year in a row. They also won Best Supporting Actor and Actress, and fun fact, Lisa, who played Tina in The Bear, she became the first Latina to win Best Supporting Actress in a comedy series. She was one of my favorite actors in the series, so I'm really happy about this win. Now in the limited series category, we had Baby Reindeer take wins. So we had Richard Gere, who wrote and starred in the show Baby Reindeer. He won Best Actor and Best Writing. I love Baby Reindeer. I think you guys should watch it. It really pushes the boundaries of storytelling. Now, one of the biggest shocks of the night was Hacks winning an award. It won Best Comedy Series, and they dominated the previous Emmys, but nobody expected any more wins this year because we have such great shows like The Bear, and we all thought that Hacks might get overshadowed, but they still managed to bag award. This just says a lot about the show, one of the best comedies out there, and it was just one of the standout success stories of the night. Thank you for watching Trending Now. This was your host Sangamata, and before I let you go, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to Radio 1 International. Also, let me know which was your favorite Emmy moment. Okay? I'll see you guys in the next Trending Now. Bye bye.
94.3 Radio 1.